Today I'm talking about the all-new 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre. They are first ever full EV from Rolls-Royce and the world's first ever EV ultra-luxury grand tourer. In terms of exterior, it's simply gorgeous and a work of art. The interior is ultra super and extravagantly luxurious. It's powered by dual motors producing 577 horsepower, 4.4 seconds north to 60, 155 mile/hour top speed, and a 664 pound-feet of torque, and an EV range of 260 miles according for the EPA. It's labeled with all-wheel drive and it's a genuine 4-seater coupe, so you can carry your family and go all around Europe with no problem whatsoever, generally speaking. And then of course you get customization that's unthinkable really. You can customize the entire vehicle for your requirement. I mean, from wood trim to leather, the types of materials, and I mean you can even get custom features like star lighting on the doors, which includes 5,896 custom little buttons or something, or you can have genuine wood trim as well. So again, I can go on. There are endless amount of customization you can do with this vehicle, but again, they have given very few details at the moment at the reveal, so I can't, since they haven't given share too much, they haven't talked about infotainment system or that sort of stuff yet. Then of course, price wise, expect, in my personal opinion, this will cost around $350,000 in the US and 275,000 pounds in the UK. That's my personal estimation. So overall, the Rolls-Royce Spectre is the king of EV luxury vehicles and the king of EV ultra luxury grand tourers, and it does not have any competitor at the moment. But since people want a competitor, well, the Cadillac Celeste is not even a competitor. The Celeste can't even come close to this car. That's a fact. So on this notion, I'm going to end this video. Thank you very much.